Hey guys, it's Blue Monkey, and we are about to make a video. We're gonna try this weird Mexican food or candy. Let's go do this. And I got Silver Wolf here, and we're gonna start off. Please pick one out from the box of mystery-ness bag. And if I don't, you can read that, whatever that is. And I got,
It's called Pulparindo.
I got this. It's got like little chunks of.
Is that jelly?
I think it's jelly with little chunks of like.
Okay, should I go first?
You go first.
Yeah, you probably don't want to eat that.
Not at all.
No, it's brown.
Did show the camera?
I will when I open it.
It looks like one of those like things you get at that store. It's like food, but it's like pressurized and
Brown.
I'll try about it on the other side. Not that bad, but it's pretty bad.
I say a 1 out of 10. Okay.
It's spicy. It's spicy.
Oh god.
Dude, have some of this. Dude. It's spicy. Why is it spicy? Why is it spicy? Dude, some of my drink. I'll get some of my drink. Dude, it's out. It's spicy. I don't want to try mine.
I'll try yours.
Okay. Can you fix the camera?
Fine, I'll do it while you're doing that.
This is so hard to open. Hopefully this isn't spicy. Why is that spicy?
I have no clue, but I'm not eating another one of those. If there's another one in there, I'm not eating it, no matter what. I'm not having this. You could have mine, but I'm not having this one. You have to keep this up then. 3, 2, 1, switch.
That's like the juice just came.
Stop with the juice all over our camera.
Juice is not that bad. It's freaking Jello.
Oh, come on. This is horrible to watch.
Just take a
little bite out of it.
You know what this reminds me of?
What?
The first ever video we made.
Oh, where you threw up on
Yep.
camera?
Yep. Those days.
Or at least ran off camera and threw up.
Yeah, this is great, actually. This is way better.
I watched you throw up and I wasn't even in the video.
Let's go.
Anyway.
I give that like a 7.
Out of 10?
Yep.
Oh, man, I really want to, can you hold it for my next one? Okay, put it back in.
You try, bud.
No. I already told you I was not trying that.
Yeah.
Hold it up for me. Let's see what I get out of here.
Wait, I think I got something. Look, hold this up.
I got this.
Shake it.
Chipolata.
It's like a maraca.
Right.
Come on, I'm gonna watch this off.
You watched it off on our bed.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, come on. This is horrible to open. Ah!
So maybe the first one was like spicy. Why was it spicy?
I don't know, but I don't like spicy
There you go.
things that are candy.
Like spicy that's supposed to be candy? That's just not good.
Okay, this is...
Impossible to open.
I wouldn't say impossible, but pretty hard.
Why is mine so hard too? I'm gonna pick one out while you're doing that.
I'll be right back.
Nope. I'm gonna read what. Extra hot and salted
Why did you let me eat that?
with real fruit.
Okay, pick another one. What the heck? I finally got it open, everyone. Don't worry. Oh my gosh. Hey, now you get to try what I'm having.
I opened it in like 5
This
seconds.
is salt and pepper.
Huh?
An orange. It's actually really good.
It's good.
I give it a 10 out of 10.
A 9. Good.
Okay, I'm gonna put this back in before I look like an idiot.
Okay, I'll eat that a little bit later.
Toxic. Oh wait, this isn't supposed to be in here. This is toxic waste.
That's for a future video. No. I'm trying. Okay, let's have the other flavors. I'm gonna have another flavor of pineapple weird stuff.
How much of these things did you get? Okay, yeah, he just got all these different flavors.
That's what Dad did, dude.
Dada. He got more of these, and I'm not eating those again.
Oh. We want to leave that off right there. Well, see you guys later.
Thank you all so much for watching, and remember, subscribe and like the video. Bye.